Some people walk into a room and instantly look attractive, even without perfect skin or expensive clothes. What's their secret? It's healthy, clean, intentional-looking hair. Your hair is the first thing people notice. It can make you look sharp or completely ruin your look. The truth is, you don't need expensive products to look better. You just need 5 simple hair care habits that most people never follow. If you do them, you'll look instantly more attractive than most people around you. Most people wash their hair the wrong way, too much or too little, and that destroys the natural shine. Wash 2 to 3 times a week with the right shampoo for your hair type. Oily hair needs clarifying. Dry hair needs moisturizing. Fresh, clean hair instantly makes you look more energetic and attractive. Skipping conditioner is skipping half your attractiveness. Apply it only on the ends, not on the scalp. It makes your hair smoother, softer, and easier to style. Just this one habit can make your hair look healthier and instantly more appealing. Rough towel drying creates breakage and frizz. Pat your hair dry gently. Use a microfiber towel if you can. And if you use a hairdryer, always keep it on low heat. Healthy hair naturally looks good, even without heavy styling. Split ends make your hair look tired and messy. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks. Even if you're trying to grow it out, it keeps your hair's shape, volume, and freshness alive. Well-maintained hair gives an instant attractiveness boost. Just a few drops of serum or lightweight oil can transform your look. It adds shine, reduces frizz, and makes your hair look clean and healthy. Not greasy, just classy. When your hair catches the light, people notice it's an instant upgrade. Attractiveness isn't luck, it's habits. Follow these 5 simple steps, and your hair will look cleaner, healthier, and far more attractive. Because when your hair looks good, you look confident. And when you look confident, you look unstoppable.